Tudor Black Bay Chrono Carbon 25 watch.
Main features are Tudor Black Bay Chrono Carbon 25, reference M 79377KN001, is a striking and highly anticipated limited edition, directly inspired by Tudor's partnership with the Visa Cash App Racing Bulls VCARB Formula One team. It stands out in the Black Bay Chrono line due to its innovative use of carbon fiber and a bold racing aesthetic.
Case. The most prominent feature is the 42mm case crafted entirely from carbon fiber, including the main case, the fixed bezel with a tachymeter scale, and even the end links that connect the strap to the case. This material choice results in an exceptionally lightweight watch, which is a significant departure from the typically robust steel Black Bay Chrono models. The case measures 14.3mm thick, making it slightly thinner than the steel versions. The screw-down crown and chronograph pushers are made from titanium with a black PVD coating, further contributing to the lightweight and stealthy look. Dial. The dial is a racing white, often described as slightly opaline or grained matte white, providing a strong contrast. Subdials. The two circular chronograph subdials are made from raw carbon fiber, beautifully tying into the case material and adding a textured, sporty look.
Color accents. The minute and seconds tracks, as well as the Tudor logo and some dial text, are rendered in a vibrant blue, mirroring the VCARB F1 team's livery. A subtle touch of red is found on the depth rating text and the tip of the chronograph seconds hand. Hour markers and hands. Applied indices and Tudor's signature snowflake hands are outlined in black and generously filled with superluminova for excellent legibility in low light.